Hey guys, Joe here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a install of the Truxedo Sentry tonneau cover for the 2022 Ford Maverick. This is the hard roll-up tonneau cover with the aluminum slats. So the reason why I decided to go with this one is because it's a hard roll-up and I can roll it up and kind of have like a little bit more bed space, and also it doesn't cover the whole window when you roll it up. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and get into it. One more thing, don't forget to like and subscribe, y'all. Alright guys, so first things first, I went ahead and I wiped this down with isopropyl alcohol just to kind of, clean it up from all the soaps and all that stuff. So I got here the strip, and what you want to do is you want to make sure this is flush up against this little side piece right here, and as close as possible without this thing overlapping with the lip end facing towards the bed. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. Alright, now once you get over here to the end, you still want to make sure that it's flush up against this part right here, and then take some scissors and kind of just cut it. And then after you got that, go ahead and just kind of go back over it and make sure it has a good seal. Alright, so after you have the seal right here installed, you're going to want to install the side rails. The Velcro part goes on the top right here, and then the strap end goes towards the back. And make sure that this piece at the end is going to be flush with this seal right here. So before you install the rails on the sides, you want to make sure that your tailgate is shut. And then after you do that, you want to take your rail and then compress it against the bulkhead, and then have it resting like that. Take your clamps right here and start installing them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this clamp right behind this hook port right here, and then even it out throughout the bed. Right now I'm just going to hand tighten it, and you want to make sure to compress this whenever you start tightening it down with the wrench. And so for like right now, I have it on the first little part right here. And do the same thing over here for the end. Now once you have your clamps in place, you want to go ahead and take your 1/2 inch socket and tighten them down. Now when you tighten them down, you want to press down on this right here, and then just go ahead and tighten it. So now I have this one tightened down. I'm going to go ahead and tighten the other two, and then get the other side put on. Alright guys, so I just installed the other side. So now it's time to go ahead and install the cover. Alright, so here's the cover. As you can notice, this end's going to go towards the back, and it has these little notches right here. These little notches are going to fit in this hole right there. Let's go ahead and get it on. felt the piece fit inside the hole, and as you can see, there it is, right there. Now what you want to do is that you want to get this slide right here and push it over this rail to lock it in. That was a pain to get on by yourself, but I got it. I had to kind of hammer it and pull down, and you know, just kind of clicks in place. But yeah, after you get both sides, now it's time to roll it down and see what it looks like. So now just unlock it. You have latches on both sides. Just simply pull them down and it unlocks. And there's the latches right here. And then how to strap it down. Just take your hook, pass it through here. You're good to go. Alright guys, so it's been a few days since I last installed this. Overall, you know, I'm pretty happy with the product, with the bed cover. It has like this nice vinyl finish. I think it looks pretty good. It has good seals all around. You know, I really don't see a way for water to get in other than, you know, right here. You have like this gap. I think it'll work pretty good. Let's go ahead and show y'all what it looks like from the inside with the bed cover rolled up. So here's the view of the bed cover when it's rolled up. As you can see, it covers about half of the back window. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any comments, please let me know down below. Thank you.